Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jong pi, hang ne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lainyo arnyo sawar riunyo.
Nalor ki jing ai ji hikai ban tip ya ka tho ka pule ban ru ban nang ban stat ha ki kerdan pule bapher ki skul ki juton ru ya ki jing ai jing hikai ban nang ya ki jat jing lekai bapher ban ru ban tip la ka akor ka buram ban pensa kan mau ya ki long den manden ka wei ni ki skul han Nongpoh Bhoi district ka Alpha Higher Secondary School ka bari ka wei ni ki skul ka jula bah ban ra ya ka nam ka buram jong district dak jing la banai ya ke jing chakri ke bapaka syagi khana pule bat ke jing wan chakmat jong ki khana skul ha ki jing penmi result jong ka embos man la ka snam ha ke ne ka snam ke bamantaru ki bor punya skul ki lapan pau ya ke jing kemen namar ke jing la jong ki khana skul ban wan chakmat ha ke jing penmi result jong ka embos ha ka SSLC bat ka HSSLC bat lapan long ya ka jing pen ku borom ya ki ne ki khana pule dak ka bai de ki jing ai sngewbha Hagani sengi ke deru ke sengi ke baka skul kala yo ban sakhi ya ka jing Plie Paidbah ya ke jekai lekai basketball lane ka basketball court da UMLA ka thanyu ba meral bons im ke bari ke jingerap ka balapan mang da UMLA na ka MLS scheme lane ka SRWP scheme jongsdam arjar arab sau arab san ye ke jekai lekai basketball lasina ha ke jinglot ke basan lak tengka bat ha ke jogo por ya ke jekai lekai basketball on pun long ru kum ke jekai yang assembly jong ki khana skul Nalor ka jingdon jong UMLA kumukong san ban Plie Paidbah yakini jekai lekai basketball laidon langru ka JRDO ka umling sinar di blog ka lalchan marak nanta ka principal jong school ka kong WK bla ki pastor ki nong hikai ki kimi ki kpa jong khana school bat ki khana school kumban syupen pau khandian balate yakini basketball court da ka Ainam ya ka vice principal barim jong school ka kong SS bla ya ka babaro school la jukhot Iaka kum ka miss Khadduh balabam kwa hedwar blai kabadi ru ka wei na gino hikai ka bashim khya bha ye ka kam ha ga skul ha ka por ka badang la ban ai jing sekri ya ka skul
Despite of several challenges that we have encountered in the past, even presently also. But I'm not wrong to say that the initiative and the endeavors started by the government to ensure for a quality education, despite of the challenges, it will be on the right track. That is our hope and aspiration as the people of the state. As one of the legislators elected by the people of this particular area, it is my responsibility to ensure that every school, be it in urban or rural area, that they should have a quality education. Dear student, we are here today to witness this beautiful program. Ngambakla ban ong bagi gijing thau ke boble ula thau kerpan. Ban mana kesini bagi dan hap pedeng jom gane ka hall. Ki bat kebentam hagane kesini. Kiri kimi kipa kinom kai ban papi kelas. Nah iya ni kimi kipa ki bade ki parlok ki jonga ki ni churi thau ha. Ki khun ki jom pi ki le ha. Ki pas ba yo position na pendan borong na kasni kade kasni ka kementam hagi tik em yemla konsep ya gi umma banjao hagi kemat namar ga jik kemen abagi kun iksiu bidungi kilebha hagi exam. It must be a very happy day for the meritorious students who are present here with us today. But this is not the end for the dear student. It is just the beginning of a long journey that you have to encounter several challenges in days to come. Those who have choose different line, parents who have opportunity to send your children within the state or outside the state, we wish you all the best. Present who cannot afford to send dear children for further studies outside the state, we wish you all the best. But I'm not wrong to say that parents have sacrificed everything. You don't give it back. Ban penbit penbiang yang jingkar kam yang ikun. Kita shim nagaram besar loan, educational loan berkiwi. Ban pentik kena bagi ikun iksi hidupi ini yo engine pulih kapamah. Pindon juga lawe kapam pernai. Ngikit bok kirwiang yang kimi kipat. Kibala Kristom, kibala Krishan yang ikun hidupi. As well as we should not forget the fact that the school have sponsored this few selected students with free education. This is one of the good initiatives that you have taken. We congratulate the school management. Keep it up. Hats off to this initiative. At the same time, to those students who have had this opportunity, this privilege, please ensure that you repay it back. It's not that you will give back by money in kind, but you should repay it back by doing well in your days to come. Dear student, parents, teachers, we understand the challenges that we are facing in present scenario, but the government is with the people of the state as much as it can to ensure that different facilities is being provided at different levels. Financial assistance, grant in aid, salaries of the teachers, infrastructure to the school. I'm not wrong to say in the past also, Alpha English Higher Secondary School have received various financial assistance from the government. But that will not be enough without the dedication, the hard work, and the facilities that yourself as the management that you have contributed to what this beautiful institution that has been created in this beautiful town. Despite of all the challenges, we are here today to ensure that the future of all the students who are here, they will see the light of the days in this to come. Dear student, will still pursue your class 12, 11, 12 within this school, and those who have passed class 12, you will pursue your further study inside within the state or outside the state. We wish you all the best. Please remember, I would like to quote from the Bible. Mona kasithi jong Jacob, the long for the kong, the cut of a son, the ong baladaw, no, the pew do not get him stand. Tung pan of lay, why can you do Despite of our religious affiliation to different denominations, it doesn't matter. Very important that we have a clean heart. It doesn't matter we belong to Christian community, to Hindu community, Muslim community. It doesn't matter. Very important is that we have a clean heart, to respect each other, to love the poor, service to humanity, service to mankind, service to God. We believe, we firmly believe, and I'm proud to be a Christian, which the Bible has taught us all this. How to behave with the elders, how to behave properly with the teachers, how to behave properly with parents.
We are here to inaugurate the basketball court, the new basketball court, which has been partly financed through the MLA scheme, SRWP scheme, which comes through the Umling CNRD block. And we have here Madam Lalchandami Malak, the GDRO of the Umling CNRD block, and the officers who have been with us, the engineers and the accounts officers who have been with us through the construction of this new basketball court. I know sir had been very busy, had just come back yesterday night, and he said we need the time because tomorrow we're opening the school for class 11 students, and we have near about 400 students, and we need that basketball court for the assembly ground. And so thank you so much sir for giving us your time today so that we can finish the inaugurations, that the field or the basketball court can be used. We're also launching Miss S.S. Black, our beloved sister, you all know, you call her Miss Khadduh. In loving memory of her, we are launching the inter-school or the inter-club, which will be worked out later, launching the Miss S.S. Black Memorial Basketball Championship. In loving memory of our sister, the vice principal, who is no more with us. And this will help us remember the contribution that she had made to the school, the dreams that she had.
I remember when I was in school, we used to have that ordinary basketball ground, and we never had the chance to play because there were so many students who would chase after the ball, and we would always be the last one to get the ball. And we would always not get the opportunity to play basketball. But I guess now you have two basketball ground, and the newly inaugurated one is very beautiful, so to say. I would also like to the MLA because through the SRWP scheme, it has been possible to make this basketball ground a success. The SRWP schemes is a contribution to the school infrastructure, which will have an everlasting impact on our students' lives. I'm also grateful for your support and commitment. I encourage our students to utilize this basketball ground and this facility to nurture your passion for basketball and strive for excellence. I'd also like to say to students, seize this opportunity, because you will not have this opportunity at home, since we do not have a good a basketball ground or other sports facilities here in Nongpoh. So as students, we must seize this opportunity to utilize the ground to the fullest. And also to the faculties, I encourage you to nurture and support our young talents. At this moment, I would also like to thank and congratulate the SSLC and HSSLC students who have passed out successfully. May you continue to improve your skills, and also may you be able to reach new heights so that you will be successful in each and every endeavor.
Admission open ke Bathymmai Model Degree College, Bhoi District, ke court admission na kebenta ke PA first semester, ke lat bahajan na kebenta ke samla pule, na kebenta ke jingtip ke babanya, phun hau number, pra iwe, lai iwe, pra not, san ar kendai not, lani pra lai nyo not, pra san henriu kendai san.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong, and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeanecollege.edu.in.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector na kebenta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei kendai henru iwe ar nyau lai.